What are the TikTok Shop Auction Analytics? TikTok Shop Auction Analytics are data insights that help sellers understand how TikTok's advertising auction system works to determine ad placement cost and performance. In TikTok's auction model, advertisers compete for visibility, and the system automatically chooses which ads to show based on bid amount, ad quality, and expected engagement. By analyzing these auction metrics, sellers can optimize their campaigns to achieve better visibility at lower costs. Auction analytics reveal key metrics such as bid competitiveness, cost per click, impression share, and ad ranking score. With tools like Helium 10, sellers can track campaign performance, measure return on ad spend ROAS, and identify which bids or audiences produce the best results. This helps in allocating ad budgets more strategically and maximizing conversion potential for each campaign. Many successful TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10's data insights to fine-tune their advertising strategies. By analyzing auction data over time, they identify when competition is high, adjust bids efficiently, and create more engaging ads that score better in TikTok's algorithm. This data-driven approach improves ad efficiency and overall profitability. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced analytics tools that help you track, analyze, and optimize your TikTok Shop auction campaigns with precision and confidence.